Me risking my life just for a direct deposit. If them tell me be safe one more time. Me rebuke you in a blizzard.
Say, you blind or what? I just clean that brass hole. Wicked set of people.
Snow done. My God, it was invisible. Blasted cowardice! It's too wicked out here.
Yes, hello. Why my street looking like Antarctica? No, I'm not exaggerating. Come see for yourself. Whole heap of nonsense. Me pay tax for this? Ras!
Mommy, it's only 2 days.
2 days can turn 4. We not starving in this country.
Are we opening a supermarket?
Why the air biting?
It's 12 degrees.
12? That's not temperature. That's disrespect. If frostbite touch me, it getting sued.